If your house is anything like mine, keeping the floors clean is an everyday battle. I mean, between tracking in dirt, the never-ending toddler messes, random kitchen spills, and of course the non-stop shedding from my dog Chewy, staying on top of it feels like a never-ending chore. But what if I could completely automate all of it? Today, I'm checking out the brand new ECOVACS Deebot X12 OmniCyclone. ECOVACS's newest flagship robot floor cleaner for 2026. This model brings some massive upgrades to the table, including the new FocusJet mopping system that literally pre-soaks tough floor stains before mopping. It also features the best edge-to-edge mopping I've ever seen, a completely bagless auto-empty station that also slices hair when emptying it, and anti-tangle tech designed specifically to defeat stubborn pet hair. I'm going to throw everything I can at the Deebot X12 OmniCyclone to see if ECOVACS's 2026 flagship actually delivers on being the ultimate hands-off cleaning machine. First, let's take a look at what's included in the box. You get the robot, which has a very clean aesthetic to it and still retains that familiar ECOVACS design language. Then you have the base station, which you can clearly see the bagless cyclone compartment right in the front. Design-wise, the base looks very clean. While I would love for ECOVACS to offer a white model, this dark gray still looks good even in bright homes. You also get a bottle of standard floor cleaner, along with a bottle of heavy-duty cleaner. Something new that I haven't seen before are these corner protectors to help with the sharp points on the base. Finally, you have tons of reading material. When it comes to vacuuming, this robot is an absolute beast. This thing is packing a massive 22,000 Pascal of suction power when utilizing its blast airflow system. I threw a ton of stuff down, including like cereal, chia seeds, some dog hair, and some human hair on both hard floors and the carpets that I have in my house. Not only did it pick everything up flawlessly, but the new Zero Tangle 4.0 tech meant I didn't have to cut a single hair off the brush roll afterwards. However, what really surprised me was how well it cleaned this rug in my office. It's not the highest quality rug by any means and tends to shed so much that even powerful stick vacuums have a hard time with it. Just check out how much the X12 OmniCyclone was able to pick up on a single cleaning session. This honestly surprised me, but it also kind of grossed me out, so I'll definitely be getting rid of that rug very soon. However, the mopping performance is what impressed me the most. When it comes to tackling tough messes, it utilizes the FocusJet system and the Osmo Roller 3.0, ramping the power all the way up to an insane 46,000 Pascal of water pressure. So let me explain the FocusJet system. When its infrared sensors detect a stubborn, dried-on stain like spilled coffee, it actually pre-sprays the area with high-pressure cross-water jets to dissolve the mess before the mop even hits it. If you utilize the dedicated FocusJet mode inside of the app, it will spray a 2 meter by 2 meters square before mopping. It then will wait for a minute or two while the cleaner soaks and breaks down the stains. Not only does this help with removing stains, but it also prevents sticky residue and smearing, which is something that's common in other robotic floor cleaners. After trying this new mop system on several different stains, I can confidently say they nailed it. It left my floors clean without any residue or marks left behind, plus my floors were basically dry within a couple of minutes after it finished. Now, something I realized while using the X12 OmniCyclone is how good it is at cleaning corners and edges. Not only does the mop extend to get hard to reach areas, but it will back up to ensure full corner and edge coverage has been made. I have tested quite a few robot floor cleaners in the past, and I've never seen one quite as good as this when it comes to corner cleaning. And if you have a mix of hard floors and carpets like I do, you don't have to worry about damp rugs. As soon as it detects carpet, the roller lifts up by 15 millimeters and a smart cover automatically snaps over the mop head to completely protect the carpet fibers. Not only that, but the X12 OmniCyclone can separate liquids from solids, which avoids any issues with sticky residues getting caught in the debris canister. All in all, I gotta say, I'm beyond impressed with how well the X12 OmniCyclone both vacuums and mops. Not only did it clean hard to reach areas in my home like along baseboards, corners, and edges, but it also left my floors looking great without any smearing or residue left behind. Now, typically in the past, I've had several robotic floor cleaners spread like syrup whenever I'm testing them out, and then I have to go back and manually scrub those floors to get that sticky residue off. This one did not do that. Plus, I love how the onboard AI can detect if a stain or a mess is still present, and it will go back and double clean those areas to make sure nothing is left behind. I saw this multiple times, and again, it just left me very impressed. Now, once the cleaning is done, the OmniCyclone station handles all the dirty work. It features a bagless design with a blade that slices down over the filter each time the canister is emptied to ensure no hair or debris is left behind, thus giving you the maximum amount of airflow every single time it's being used. It's powered by a massive main cyclone and 14 smaller ones to filter out basically everything so you never have to buy bags again. But the mop washing is just as high tech. First, there's a dedicated compartment for both standard ECOVACS floor cleaning solution and heavy duty cleaning solution, along with separate clean and dirty water tanks. For cleaning, the dock uses a fresh flow roller washing system that consists of 16 pressurized nozzles that blast the roller with hot water. It continuously flushes out the dirt, so I'm never mopping with dirty water. After that, it uses 63 degrees Celsius hot air to completely dry the roller to prevent mildew and odors. If you have a massive house like up to 1,000 square meters, possibly even more depending on the layout, you can rest assured that this robot can handle it. The Deebot X12 OmniCyclone features GaN power boost charging and adaptive charging, which fast charges the battery so the robot can cover a massive area in a single run. Here's how it works. During a session when the robot returns from mop washing, it will start rapidly charging. It can deliver a 13% recharge in 3 minutes, and with adaptive charging, it can determine the amount of charge needed based on area and cleaning mode. Also, the robot is equipped with an EV-level pouch battery, which will help with battery degradation and extend the overall life of the battery as you use the robot more and more. Now, since we're talking about the base station, I think it's a perfect time to clear up ECOVACS's current lineup. They actually offer 2 different flagship versions. The other model is the Deebot X12 Pro Omni, which features a traditional dust bag station design. That one is great if you prefer the classic toss and replace bag system. Personally, I'm a bigger fan of the bagless design of the OmniCyclone since it's less maintenance cost in the long run due to not having to buy bags. Plus, I really like that hair cutter design that goes over the filter that promotes airflow. In any case, I'll make sure to leave links to both versions down in the description as well as the pinned comment so you can check them both out and grab the one that fits your home the best. Now let's talk about the ECOVACS app, AI navigation, and of course, obstacle avoidance. ECOVACS has put a ton of work into their app. I feel like every single time I get to check out a new product from them, I notice quite a few upgrades, including better animations, overall performance improvements, and of course the addition of new features. Plus, if you already own a different ECOVACS product, like say maybe you own one of their goat mowers, everything is inside of the same app. It's nicely laid out. You don't have to download different apps for different product categories, which I definitely appreciate. For the Deebot X12 OmniCyclone, you can view and customize all of your maps, check the status of the base and robot, schedule cleaning sessions, and of course, customize those sessions. You can have it vacuum only, vacuum and mop, or vacuum and then mop. More so, you can pick the level of suction, fine incremental control of water flow settings, how thorough the cleaning will be, and the number of times it cleans. There's also ECOVACS's Yeeco Assistant and AI Agent mode. Hi, Yeeco. Go ahead. Clean the mop at the base.
Okay, start washing the roller mop with hot water.
Yeeco is basically ECOVACS's voice assistant, and you can do a ton with it. You can start and stop cleanings, you can have it return to the dock, you can specify an area that you want it to clean. There's a lot that you can do with Yeeco. Meanwhile, AI Agent mode is used to automate how your floors are cleaned based on your patterns. It provides useful suggestions so you don't have to manually adjust settings each time you begin a session. And you can see these suggestions just by opening up the app. As for its AI navigation and obstacle avoidance system, I mean, it's great. Honestly, ECOVACS has had some of the best for a while now, so it's not surprising that their new 2026 flagship models perform excellent here. It can recognize obstacles in real time, like furniture legs, toys, and any other clutter that happens to get left on the ground, so it never gets stuck. It also takes a picture of anything it encounters, which you can view after a cleaning right inside of the app. Now, before I give my final verdict, I know one of the biggest questions with these high-end robot vacuums, especially with these powerful bagless docks, is the noise. You'd expect it to be loud. However, that's not necessarily the case, but instead of just reading off the spec sheet, I want you to hear it for yourself. I'm going to cycle through the different suction modes, and then I'll let you hear what the base station sounds like when it's auto-emptying and performing a self-washing.
of the roller mop.
So who should actually buy the Deebot X12 OmniCyclone? Well, if you live in a house with mostly hard floors, actually mixed floors, deal with frequent spills or heavy pet hair, and absolutely hate the ongoing maintenance of traditional robot vacuums, this is built for you. The combination of the FocusJet stain pre-treatment and the longer Omni Roller 3.0 makes it incredibly efficient at breaking down real-world messes in a single pass. Now on the flip side, if you're someone who prefers the traditional dust bag system because you don't want to deal with having to empty out a canister manually, you might want to look at the standard X12 Pro Omni instead. It offers the same exact mopping and vacuuming performance, just with the classic toss and replace bag dock. So what's my final verdict? Overall, the X12 OmniCyclone really delivers on the promise of hands-off cleaning. Between the bagless station, the Zero Tangle 4.0 brush, and the way it automatically pre-treats stubborn stains, it's officially taken over floor duty in my home. I'll drop links to both the OmniCyclone and the standard Pro Omni down in the description as well as the pinned comment so you can check out current up-to-date pricing. But I also want to hear from you guys. What is the biggest cleaning challenge you deal with in your house? Is it pet hair? Is it dirty paw prints? Is it kid messes? Or just getting the edges clean? Let me know down in the comments. I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you made it all the way till the end, you are a real one. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content just like this, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.